Welcome to our Skill Shop projects. Task 6. Design a dynamic responsive homepage using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Tailwind CSS. Let's recap our project. Alright, I am Mandar Singer from Cheetah Badge Java Institute. So, yeah, in previous chapters we talk about sign up page and sign in page. This is sign up page and sign in page. In sign up page, user decide he become a skill seller or skill buyer. This is skill shop selling skills. Alright, so after he sign in, now I go to the sign in. He can sign in like with this remember me, and cookies will load when remember me option click, or without even the browser close he can't access because he don't click the remember me. When he click the remember me, even the browser close, cookie will stop. After user sign in, he will see, if he is a buyer, he see this website, this home page. He has a buyer profile here, he has notification panel, and he has email icon here, he have a search icon here. This is how home page look like. The categories here, education, video, business and etc. And our users comment, and you can see others. This is a header, skill shop, search icon and buyer's profile, and we can see the footer in here, the other sections, the links. In footer, user can access to other links easily, so he can become a seller when clicking this link. Still we are developing, so these links will not work, but we can see the buyer profile like this, right? So yeah, dashboard, profile, sign out. This is how dashboard look like. So let's move to this. As you can see, this is seller dashboard.php. Now by the way, we are now today talking about home.php. so this is how seller see. Okay, this is how the user who not sign up, not sign in, but he can see the home page like this. Still the same, only different is he can't see the profile icon. Okay, the same design, but he can't see the profile icon because he not sign in or sign up. And this is seller look like, just seller in here. When buyer, you can see buyer profile. You can see the previous video. Alright, now I go to buyer account, so I can show you buyer account again. Account type, buyers will get ID 2. Okay, log is buyer user. So let's go to the page for buyers. This is how buyer look like. Same design, but he is a buyer, and other side sellers can see in here seller. So let's move to the code. Good, yeah. So this is how header look like. Today our main focus to home.php. So as you can see, this is a hero section here. We use this code. So we have this kind of professional looking premium web design. We have section here, class here, and div 1 we can see the space bar, and we can see here the session here. Go to dashboard, browse skill, and we can see here in if condition here again for go to dash dashboard and create skills. For new users, they have this part, and due to they have this section, experts instruction, grow your skill, business, etc. That mean, yeah, these categories. So and the feature crosser we talk about in next video about that, and we can see the navigation button here. Crosser we talk about next video. So this is the navigation button. We can see the button here, and we can see the on click here. That's connected to auth.js, because on click is a JavaScript function. And we can see the categories section, the design, development, this thing. See, design, development, mobile. And you can see when we click X transaction, when we click this, you look, when we move the mouse point here. So now we go to testimonial section here. In testimonial section, the users comment. We can see we have stats section here, active users, skills, transactions, like this. This is the testimonial section, and this is the other part. I talk about the transaction section. Stats section, and we have how it works section, like this. I ready to start to join. How it works section. After that, just HTML code, and call to action section. And crosser logic we'll talk about later. And we can see the functions here for the slides and etc. And this is the header. In home we included, I should show you, we include header, and under the we include footer. Alright, so let's switch to footer. Footer look like this. Just the detail for the footer section. That means this section, the last section, the highlighted time now, the screens of learn, etc., the additional links, and header section is how it look. We can see the if else condition here for session start, and it included the style sheet, CSS file, Tailwind file, have a title like this for navigation, logo for search bar, because we can see the search bar in here, right? Look, the header have a own search bar, and also home PHP has a own search bar. Okay, and right side navigation, notification. Right side navigation mean this. Alright. And for messages for buyers, like this, and cart and waitlist for buyers, and problem for profile drop down. That's why when we click the profile, we can see the profile drop down and drop down menu. See like this. This is the drop down menu. We can see the echo in here, and this is toggle section, toggle profile drop down visibility, and we can see if else condition here for the toggle profile drop down, and hidden drop down when click outside. Of course, when we click the outside like this, we can see the drop down. When we click the outside, we can't see that. And close the drop down when clicking links inside it. Close the drop down when clicking links inside it. Of course, can also see the function for here for clicking. Yeah, that's for the today task. See, now we have a beautiful website like this. So see you in next task.